Hello and welcome to another exciting story from the DIY diorama of Clever Diecast Cars. In today's video, we witness a major accident in the DIY miniature city of Clever Diecast Cars. A heavy transport truck carrying an excavator is crossing an intersection when a red Audi sports car accelerates rapidly with drifting tires towards the same intersection. A serious collision occurs. Fortunately, there are no injuries. Police cars from my miniature police station rush to the accident scene to secure the area. Since there are no injuries, an ambulance is not required. 2 tow trucks are called to the scene. A smaller tow truck hauls the Audi to the nearest workshop, while a larger tow truck is tasked with removing the heavy truck. There's a traffic jam caused by the accident, so the cars need to be moved to make space for the tow trucks. Here we see a beautiful blue sports car with beige interior and large, wide rims. I think it's a Hot Wheels. This car is parked at the gas station. Next, we have a golden convertible Dodge with a V8 engine, absolutely stunning. This car is also parked at the gas station. Then there's another blue sports car, definitely a Hot Wheels, which also needs to be moved to clear the road for the tow trucks. Here we have a green V8 muscle car with white and yellow flames, a really cool car, also by Hot Wheels. Then there's a vintage car. I'm not sure about the brand, maybe you can help me out. It's definitely from Matchbox. Next, we see a blue Porsche Panamera, a beautiful car. Followed by a classic muscle car from the 1970s. This one also needs to be moved. Lastly, a police car is parked in the way and must be relocated. Now, with the road cleared, we can finally tow the heavy transport truck. However, it's too heavy to move with the excavator still on the trailer. We unload the excavator and park it near a blue taxi. With that, the accident scene is cleared. I hope you enjoyed this news story from the Diorama city of Clever Diecast Cars. In this video, some cars move automatically thanks to a magnetic rail system installed underneath the diorama. I hope you enjoy watching more videos from Clever Diecast Cars.